Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. So in last video, we have learned, I think the discovery of proton. Let's see. In last video, okay, we have proved neutron. Okay, so today will be means doing radioactivity. So what is radioactivity? Or okay, let's start now. Let's begin the lecture. Okay. So, what does radio means? Let's separate these both. These are means two words like radio and active, activity or activity. Okay, radioactivity. Now let's break this into two words. Like what do you know? What does radio means? Simple rays or beams, any. Okay, and activity means like active energy means continuously, it means throwing energy or kinetic energy, we can say also. Okay, now combination of this simple, we can say that these are energetic rays, means they are having energy. These rays will be having energy that cannot be seen, like here it's a certain unseen energy. The energy will not be visible to us. Okay, so we are taking this simple atom. Okay, this ordinary atom means the electron is revolving, but it's not means throwing energy. It will means give energy or release energy, but when it will be excited, okay, leave that. It's another topic, we'll be discussing that. Okay, we're not going in deep, so leave this. Okay, a simple this ordinary ray means it will not an ordinary atom, you can say, or atom, because it will not means release energy. Okay, today we are means, sorry, I'm saying means very much, so leave it. Okay, nuclear reaction. Okay, now start. Let's nucleus. So we have taken two atoms, like one is of not, I don't know whose atom. We have just example, like it is having 50 protons and 51 neutrons. So it is having same, almost same number of proton and neutron. So let's see, one proton and one neutron, one proton and one neutron in the shell, in the nucleus. It's in this structure, means one by one. But okay, so means they are equal, so they does not means react, or they are not free, neutrons are not free, so they can easily put it, and these are stable because no extra means all are means collected. They are making not bond, but they are together. Now let's see this atom. So it is having now 92 protons and 154 neutrons, means they are 92 proton, 92 neutron will be together, but these extra neutrons will not be means stable, they'll be walking there not walking, they'll be moving there. Okay, so unstable, we can say unstable, it will be unstable because of different forces. Like here they are means equal, okay, and they are unstable, the neutron are extra, so they'll not be equal, like same force, they'll be having same force and different. Okay, 1 minute, let me cover this. Okay, now let's see who discovered these radioactive particles, rays, sorry, you can also particle. Marie Curie and Perry Curie. I think they were husband wife because they are having same Curie or brother sister. Okay, leave it. I'm just joking. Okay, radioactive rays. Like we have now, they are doing an experiment. They took a box of, you know what, lead. Has it written? Lead means it is having high, means it will not allow the races to cross them, the boundary of them, because they are having means less penetrating power. Okay, so inside this we have a nucleus of an atom, like any atom, like we have taken here 92 proton and 154 neutron. Okay, we are taking simple here also, and oh, it's all is closed, just here a little is open, from which the rays are means coming. And then suddenly there was a means zinc sulfide at the front, and some means some particles were like hitting that, and it was glowing, so they thought there is some particle. So they just did, you know what, they arrange electric field there. I don't know why it is not written electric field. You know what? Electric field. Electric field. Okay. So the electric field behind means this radioactive rays or radioactive particles or nucleus of an atom. There is a positive and there is a negative, and when they and in front they have put zinc sulfide. They put zinc sulfide when the rays are going, okay, in front in straight. So suddenly at the positive side, ray band, we are not seen, we are not watching the means the it is band, because when it is bending or it is moving towards this direction, right direction, and hitting there. So here something was glowing, and we know it is having negative sign. You know what? Because here we have positive. Okay, no, it is having positive sign because we are having here negative sign, and you know what, negative attracts positive. So the positive was hitting there, and here is like you know what, here we are taking positive side, and the ray some was means some rays were coming and hitting here. So we are the scientists were shocked, what are these? So suddenly means they hit there. So these are negative rays. You know what? Because they are the positive is attracting negative, they are moving towards positive, and here they are moving towards negative. So and all means two rays were separated. We know now there were two rays, but suddenly a third ray also came and straight and hit it on the center, because so the scientist also means it was a neutral ray, because it was a neutral ray, that's why it doesn't bend on the negative or positive. So means they discovered three particles, and they put the name of negative ray beta rays, and the positive were alpha rays. Yes, alpha rays. The positive means 2 plus plus. Yeah, on the last lecture we learned how this 2 plus is means came. Okay, so simple. They discover from this project, just this process, they discovered, you know, three new races, like oh yes, the third is remaining, sorry. The move means the straight, the part, the ray which was straight, that pick the name gamma rays, gamma, and this is having high penetrating power. I think we have done this in a lecture. So this was radioactive material, we know. So these rays are fast in the last, okay. These rays are fast in the last, okay, it's a rhyme. So now we know that three rays were discovered: gamma, beta, the gamma, alpha, beta. Okay, and who discovered them? Marie Curie and Pierre Curie. By which means how? By the box of lead. They put in the box of lead. There was a inside. They put a nucleus of like high radioactive, and after that there was an electric field. The positive was bending towards negative, and the negative was bending towards positive, and a ray was coming in straight and going forward. So we give the name gamma rays, and the negative ray beta rays, and the positive alpha rays. Okay, so I think this lecture is clear to you. We'll be meeting in next lecture. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. God bless you.